of thanks, we'd like to invite on stage the Secretary of AISSQ 2018 Conference, Sri Jitun Dao, to give his vote of thanks on behalf of the organizing committee.
Namaskar. Honorable Governor of Odisha, respected dignitaries on the dais, and all dear friends in the audience, it's my privilege to extend vote of thanks. The 11th AISSQ conference, entitled Mathematics and Reality, received the timely support and coolness of many noble souls and wonderful teamwork of many dedicated colleagues, friends, and well-wishers of the Bhaktivedanta Institute. On behalf of Bhaktivedanta Institute, I wish to convey our special thanks and sincere gratitude to Professor Sri Ganesh Nal, Honorable Governor of Odisha, for his kind consent to grace the mega event as a chief guest of the conference. We are thankful for his wonderful views to encourage holistic synergy of science, philosophy, and spirituality. We also wish to convey our special thanks and heartfelt appreciation to Professor R.B. Rajakumar, Honorable Director of IIT Bhubaneswar, for his kind consent to host the 11th AISSQ conference. We are also thankful to Sri Devaraj Rath, Registrar of IIT Bhubaneswar, Dr. T.V.S. Sekhar, Associate Professor, School of Basic Science, Dr. Subhankar Pati, Assistant Professor, School of Minerals, Metallurgical and Materials Engineering, Dr. Santanu Paul, Assistant Professor, School of Basic Science, Lieutenant Commander Raj Kumar, Chief Secretary Officer of IIT Bhubaneswar, for their kind support towards the successful organization of the conference as a noble service to the society. Also, thanks to Dr. A.K. Naik, Registrar of Niger, for providing accommodation participants and delegates. We sincerely thank Dr. B.D. Mundra, Chairman Simplex Infrastructure Private Limited, Kolkata, Dr. Kishanlal Agrawal Bhartiya, CMD Bhartiya, Professor Edward Jalta of the Stanford University, USA, for having kindly accepted our request and for gracing the occasion as guest of honor. Bhaktivedanta Institute expresses its sincere thanks to all wonderful supporters of the conference, without whose support the 11th AISSQ conference could not be held in such a grand scale. This includes NALCO, NITTE, Birla Global University, IIMT, Simplex Infrastructure Limited, and Sri Ram Properties. We also thank all volunteers, well-wishers, and other supporters of Bhaktivedanta Institute for their dedications towards the mission of the AISSQ conference. Your sincere commitment and dedication, even in the midst of extremely demanding time schedule, is a rich source of inspiration to all of us to continue organizing the AISSQ conference series by following the footsteps of Dr. T.D. Singh, His Holiness Bhakti Swarup Damodar Swami. We gratefully acknowledge the hard work of organizing committee and dedicated members of the fundraising, registration, hospitality, publicity, and academic printing teams. Our sincere thanks are due to all the friends and well-wishers of Dr. T.D. Singh who have rendered their valuable, sincere, and selfless service to promote the science spirituality quest in every nook and corner of the country. Special thanks for the dedication and service rendered by our support team from Bhaktivedanta Institute on Wheels, Bhaktivedanta Institute, Bengaluru, Vijayawada, Hyderabad, Kharagpur, Kolkata, Guwahati, Bhubaneswar, Ropar, Imphal, Singapore, and the United States. We are grateful to every single person who has contributed to the success of the conference, directly or indirectly, small or big. Your dedication to the AICSQ conference series is a rich source of inspiration to all of us. Kindly excuse us for not mentioning the names of many prominent personalities who have been enthusiastically serving the grand mission vision of Dr. T.D. Singh. Special thanks to all speakers who traveled from abroad, from various parts of India to share their precious knowledge with all of us. Special thanks are due to all delegates, volunteers for initiating, for sustaining lively and stimulating environment in the auditorium. Despite several limitations, many of them have come to participate in the conference. Traveling great distance from all parts of the country, we wish to offer our sincere gratitude to all of our national, local and program sponsors for making this event a success. We look forward for your continued support again in future. We could not have done this without your generous support. Last but not least, a special thanks to all the members, volunteers and all users of Bhaktivedanta Institute at Bhubaneswar. In summary, we sincerely acknowledge, dedicate a tireless effort given by everyone involved for the successful organization of the conference. Thank you.
Thank you.